In this video, I'll be reviewing the Black+Decker Dustbuster QuickClean Cordless Vacuum. I've been using this vacuum for the last week, so I can give you my impression on what I like and what I dislike about this unit. And by the way, I have included a link in the description if you want to get it from Amazon. To operate this vacuum is very simple. All you have to do is to press on the power button. It doesn't lock in place, which means that you'll have to keep it pressed during the whole time you're using it. Here I have a lot of pet hair all around the house, and for light duties like trying to vacuum on hardwood floor, this does quite a good job. I also used it on the stairs, which are made out of wood. There's no carpet, and again, I think I'm pretty satisfied with the result I was getting. Another thing that I have appreciated is that it only weighs 1.5 pounds, which means that I can take it around in the house without too much trouble. Same thing about its size, since it's very small, you can hide it almost everywhere and put it out of sight easily. A thing that I didn't appreciate too much is the way that it works on carpets. The carpet that you're seeing right now on the screen is not very deep, but it can get some debris stuck pretty intensely inside its fibers. You'll definitely need a vacuum with some brushes of some kind if you want to take all the dust that is stuck inside. I also got this carpet, which is even deeper, and sure, it will pick all the dust that is on the surface of it and the bigger debris, I would say. But everything that is stuck inside, forget about it, this vacuum won't work that well. I tried using it on my sofa and I was quite surprised that it worked well. Sure, it's not like a hardwood floor, it's a bit more difficult for it to suck everything, but at the end of the day, everything got picked up and I was happy. I had the same experience using it on a cat tree. It picked up everything. You just need to be slightly more patient, but it will do the job. I didn't do any scientific testing, but the battery lasts about 10 minutes, so don't expect to do your whole house with this tiny vacuum. When the battery is completely flat, you just need to plug this cable that comes in the box in the back of the vacuum, and you're gonna have a small red LED here on the charger itself. When everything is fully charged, which takes about an hour and some minutes, the LED light will simply turn off to indicate that it's ready to be used again. To empty the canister is quite easy as well. There is a button here, you just need to press it once. It will detach the main unit from the canister. Then you have to pull the filter. Yeah, it's very nasty here. As you can see, it sucked a lot of hair. I think it's a very good vacuum if you want to pick up this kind of debris. And finally, you have just to shake the filter here and empty what's in the box there. Maybe pull some hair because they're getting stuck. But yeah, it's as easy as any other handheld vacuum to empty. My final thoughts on this vacuum is that for the price, which is pretty cheap, it does a good job if you don't expect a lot from it. It will pick up the usual dust easily from flat surfaces, but when it comes to carpets, there are a lot of better options out there. I know I didn't show it in this video, but I think I'll just keep it in my car from some quick cleaning from time to time. Thanks for watching my review. Again, there are some links on Amazon if you want to get this vacuum. It will definitely help my channel. If not, well, just leave a comment, a like, and I will see you in the next one.